Hey guys, Somir, and this video is only for the YouTubers in my list. In this video, I'm going to give you 2 tips which can help you to initially push that traffic to your videos. No matter how small or how big you are, those 2 tips are going to help you massive. So, I know YouTubers put in a lot of time and efforts to make even a single video. At least for me, I take like 1 day to think about the video, then like 5 or 6 hours to shoot the video, then 2 hours to find the right music, then again 5 or 6 hours to edit, because I cannot compromise with my production value. I don't want to be called an YouTuber who is going to have like, who had bad videos in the past, and I don't want to repent looking at my bad videos. So from day one, I always wanted to have my production value really at high standards. Alright, so now about the 2 tips. The first tip is always make a good thumbnail. At least spend like 1 hour to make a good thumbnail. This has to be a ritual while making a video. I always spend like 1 hour to think about the thumbnail, edit the thumbnail. So even if it takes like 1 hour, it always pays off. So you can see my thumbnails first. I always suggest spending at least 1 hour to think about the thumbnail, get the thumbnail, edit the thumbnail, and make sure it looks good. If it looks good to you, then it's going to look good to others as well. So here are few of my thumbnails. Pretty neat, right? So I always make sure my thumbnails are looking good. Then only my viewers are going to go ahead, click on the thumbnail and see the video, and I can have the retention ratio pretty high once the thumbnail is good and the content is related to the thumbnail. So thumbnail is massive. You have to spend time making a good thumbnail always. Tip 2. I know everyone is sharing their YouTube video links to Facebook, and they end up getting those small thumbnails, and people are not going to click on that small thumbnail in the text because people are lazy. They are not going to decode from the thumbnail how it looks or what the video is about, and they are not going to click. Here is the tip. If you can have a way to show your thumbnail big size, so people are able to see that good thumbnail in nicely in a big size, and they can just go ahead and see the title, they're going to click. That is how you can increase your CTR, because once you have a good thumbnail and it looks big, people are going to see that even on your phones, even on desktop, everywhere it's going to look big and good. So here is an example from my newsfeed where when I used to post videos, my small thumbnails, it was not getting a lot of traffic, and then again I started pushing my videos with the full image like this. I have gained my click rate by like I guess 80 or 90% now. All of my traffic is coming from Facebook now. Almost all, not all. So this is massive. So how do you get that? I know many of you are using some third-party tools to get your thumbnail big, and that's not going to look official. So the official way to do it is go to your video, go to your advanced tab, go to allow embedding, switch that off, then save. Then once you are getting the URL, once the video is pushed and published, take that, copy that URL, go to Facebook debugger, then paste that URL on the debugger, enter yes, submit, let it fetch the image, and you are going to see the big image instantly. So the trick is allow embedding needs to be off. Go ahead, share the URL on your Facebook, and you are going to see the big thumbnail. Then again you need to come back to your debugger. Oh no, you are going to come back to YouTube video, go to advanced and click on the allow embedding yes, because if you are going to keep that off, then people are not going to be able to watch your video on WhatsApp, on third-party website and other stuff, because you have basically switched off the embedding. So your embedding needs to be off. You are going to see full thumbnail URL, full thumb on your Facebook, then again come back to your YouTube and switch on that allow embedding. Do not forget about it. So those are the 2 massive tips which I could give it to you guys, so that you can push your traffic instantly to your videos, because I know people put in a lot of efforts to your videos, and if you're not getting discovered and people are not watching your videos, it really hurts. So I hope those 2 tips are going to help you, and if you have got any question, just let me know in the comment section below. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you next time. Push!